results. Wild boars can destroy nests, but the greatest threat comes from humans. As forests disappear and natural habitats shrink, the kingdom of the king cobra grows smaller every year. Yet the king cobra continues to endure. For millions of years, it has ruled the forests of Asia with a combination of intelligence, patience, power, and precision. It is not simply a snake. It is a master hunter, a devoted parent, and one of the most remarkable reptiles ever to evolve. Deep in the rainforest, as mist drifts between ancient trees and shadows stretch across the jungle floor, the king cobra continues its silent patrol. Hidden from view but never far away, the forest king still reigns.